In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to flip an image in Google Docs. Whether you want to flip it horizontally or vertically, it's easier than you think. If that sounds helpful, go ahead and give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple how-to guides like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open your Google Doc and insert your image if you haven't already. Now here's the trick, you can't flip images directly on the page. Instead, click on Insert in the top menu, go to Drawing, and select Plus New. Inside the drawing tool, click on the little image icon to upload your picture again. Once it loads, click on the image, go to Actions in the toolbar, hover over Rotate, and you'll see options to flip horizontally or flip vertically. Just pick the one you need, and once your image is flipped, click Save and Close to add it to your document. Now, if you want to move the image around to a specific spot, just click on it and you'll see a small menu underneath. Choose Wrap Text. This gives you much more control to position the image exactly where you want it, whether it's beside a paragraph, in the middle of the page, or wherever fits best. You can even drag it around freely once that option is selected. And that's it. Super simple and really handy. If this helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.